Hey y'all, Amy here. So we've been documenting our build journey to share with friends and family, and maybe we'll get better with intros in the future, but either way, here we go, sharing our journey now. All right, so we have been under contract for a little bit. We knew it was going to take a little bit of time for us to close. We were supposed to close in about 3-ish days. However, the surveyors here are just slammed with all the work and everything going on right now. However, so what we've been doing is we've been driving by like every 3 or 4 days or so, just kind of checking to see if there's any progress going on. And we happened to drive by and saw something exciting. This right here is so darn exciting for us. So this is the edge of our property, and you can see, if you can see that little white stake that they put down in the middle there, that goes all the way straight down, and then this all the way off to the right is going to be ours. Lots of fun stuff for the hubs to clear. But we are so excited that we are making progress on our land. Willie's out there braving all the weeds and the potential snakes that are out there, but look how tall our pine trees are getting. Potential driveway planning right now. You're gonna do like a little bit of an S coming in, and eventually the house is around that area that we're planning out there towards the dead trees. All right, so thanks to our buddies, Chip and Nicole over at Hidden Oaks Homestead. They let us borrow their gators, so now we're out here playing, because he only went so far in before the weeds and everything were pretty much up to his shoulders and didn't want to play with any snakes, right? So, yeah. So now we're out here kind of playing around and maybe getting a little bit more of a driveway planned.
Not playing, we're plotting our house.
Yes.
Definitely not running over any brush or bushes or anything.
No.
Or saplings. Avoiding all of it.
So at this point, it's been a couple days, and Willie decided to beef things up and go rent a skid steer, because he's been on the list since December to purchase one of his own. However, with everything else, as usual in the economy, it's kind of behind. So he went ahead and he got this Kubota 75 for rent, and we're going to start working on the driveway with this one today. way, we completely thought these trees and this one, another tall one there, and the one where we want to build back by our house were completely dead, but surprise, they're not. Can't believe it. Alright, so I walked back to the truck real quick to grab my water. And Willie has assured me that he is not here to play. I used those words and he corrected me quickly. He's not here to play. However, he looks like he's having a lot of fun. So he's got all of that done just in the few minutes it took me to walk back to the truck real quick. He's been testing. Oh goodness, he can correct me on this, but there was something that, because obviously you can see we have a lot of stumps and everything in here, so he's playing with the grapple, or I keep using the word playing, and again, I've been corrected on that. He's using the grapple to dig in and then move everything out of the way over here. Can you picture a driveway? Doing my best to be a good cameraman. However, I just walked through all of that he's done and almost went up over my boot. So I'm just hanging out here cheering him on. You're doing great, babe. Great job. Got it. This is the face of a man proud to use his winch for the first time.
Technically, second time, but the first time was not super necessary.
Well, the bike wouldn't start, so you did have to use it for that. Now you said you weren't here to play. However, it looks like you were playing.
One person's playing. Turn your wheels this way. Actually, just stay right there.
Apparently I have to wait for the tug, and then I am to hit the button. Alright, so about here we lose our footage, and also because I didn't have any clue what I was doing and I got a little nervous, so I stopped filming. So anyway, Willie did know what he was doing and got us out and got us loaded up on the trailer for the night. On to the next day.